Hello guys, welcome back again. In today's tutorial, I would like to show to you how to add an inner shadow effect on your text design. So let's open your Canva and make a new project. Then add a text onto your page. For example, I'm going to add a text. I think I just type Tong tips like this. And then I would like to change the font. And in today's tutorial, I'm using this, what is it called, Laria script font, this one. And then I'm going to change the color from it onto, I think I will change it onto red color, this one. Change all, it's like that. Then now we need to adding an effect, an outline effect onto this text, like this, and outline. And for the outline, I'm going to change it onto a blue color on this one and increase the thickness of the outline onto 200, just like this. And now the next steps, increase the size of the text like this. And after that, duplicate this one. And on the duplicated text, you need to change it onto a hollow effect. This one, like this, and now you need to change the font color onto a white color, as same as the background color, just like that. Now you need to move the text that have the hollow effect onto the next page, like this, and change the color from this page to make sure that we able to see the design, this one. Okay, now the next step, you can downloading it and upload it onto your Canva, but for me I would like to use these apps on Canva, design to image, this one. Okay, click convert to image, and then I will increase the size of the pixel and check the transparent background, that, and this one. Then wait for a moment, then add it to the current page like this, and now it's show up. Okay, the next part, click the hollow text, and then adjust the size of it. Make sure it has the same size as the text that have the outline effect, this one. Okay, now positioning it just like this. Okay, after that, go to edit. Make sure that you are click the hollow text and then go to edit. Select this effect bar and then use this drop shadow effect. Now scroll down, and for the blur amount, we need to decrease it onto 15, like this one. And for the angle, decrease it onto 50, like this. Or you can just type the number onto this bar, click it, and for the distance, decrease it onto 30. Like this, enter. And for the intensity, you can increase it like this onto 100. And now when it's done, you just need to adjust the position one more time. And now it's done. As you can see, now the text design have an inner shadow onto it, like this. That's the way to create this effect on Canva application. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.